What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you exactly how to get the trendy middle part hairstyle. This hairstyle was a huge hit in the 90s and it came back with vengeance in the past couple of years, securing the most desirable hairstyle spot in 2020 and 2021. And in this video, you'll learn everything about it, from the hair measurements to the styling itself, products needed, and the finishing touches. I want to make sure that your hairstyle looks incredible. My hair measurements in this video are 8 inches in the front, 6 inches in the back, and 4 inches on the sides and lower back. With these measurements, you'll be able to get that desirable flow, the careless middle part look that so many guys are rocking right now. After you get your hair to those right measurements, you need to wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner so that we can start fresh on a blank canvas with no product in your hair. So now I'm gonna apply Forte Series brand new product that just came out today, October 2nd. This is the Forte Series hair thickening spray. If you guys have thin hair, if you want more volume, more body, more thickness, this spray will do that. So all you gotta do is spray it onto your wet hair before you blow dry, and this is going to add so much thickness to your hair. We just launched this today and I couldn't be more excited for you guys to try this, especially you guys with thin, really flat hair. This is going to give you the volume that you need. So make sure to check it out. It's gonna be listed in the description below, forteseries.com. This is quite possibly the most important part of this styling tutorial. All right, a lot of guys still don't understand the power of a blow dryer. But just know that this will be the difference between a great hairstyle and an average hairstyle. In the beginning, your goal was to get the water out and just shape your hair into the desirable style. It doesn't have to be perfect right away. You just want a lot of that excess water gone. Then start to be more careful with the direction in which you're blow drying. As your hair gets closer and closer to being fully dry, it will lock itself into place. So don't expect to blow dry it into one direction and then all of a sudden change it to the other direction later, because it's just not going to work as well. Then when my hair is mostly dry, what I like to do is brush it back with my fingers and decide where to part it. From there, I get the brush into that part, in the middle part, and start brushing it up from that middle part. And the reason why you want to brush it upwards from the middle part is to give it volume and height right in the center. That's gonna make that middle part way more visible and clear. And by the way, blow drying upwards is always going to give your hair loads of volume. Don't be shy, pull the hair with the brush. Don't be overly aggressive, but feel free to pull your hair with that brush. Next up, to get the sides to sit more flat and pushed back, use the brush to flatten it out. Also make sure to flatten out the back as much as possible so that it's not too poofy. And this is a little trick that I learned just as I went. I like to twist the sides here to add some waves and curls to my hair. Feel free to do this and add as many waves as you want depending on your hair type. Maybe you have wavy hair already, but if you don't, this is a great little trick. Now to hold it all in, it's time to go in with the Forte Series hair cream. This is definitely my favorite hair product right now. It's very creamy, it smells amazing, and it has great hold that's gonna keep your hairstyle in place all day, but in a very flowy way. You can still run your fingers through your hair easily. You can restyle it. The Forte Series hair cream is infused with biotin, aloe vera, argan oil, and olive oil. We really went all out with the ingredients in this product. It's not just a styling product. We wanted to do more than that. It's a product that's going to nourish your hair, make it healthier, and make it look better inside and out. At Forte Series, you'll also be able to find high quality shampoo, conditioner, and amazing styling products that will completely change your hairstyle, all right? This is night and day, especially if you're still using drugstore products. Those are destroying your hair, so it's time to make that switch. The final step to get the perfect middle part is to just use the palms of your hands and push your hair into that middle part to get even extra volume. And I know when I'm explaining this all to you in very much detail, it might sound like a lot of work, but this hairstyle is easy to achieve in less than 10 minutes. It usually takes me 5 to 7 minutes from beginning to end, so don't be discouraged. Take the time to get your hairstyle to look amazing, because it will completely change your look, it will change your style, and people will notice. And upgrade your hair products too, because you're not gonna be able to get a great hairstyle with average hair products. It's just not gonna work. Again, I'll leave the link to Forte Series in the description below. Guys, what did you think of this hairstyle? Leave a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section down below, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this type of video and if you want to see more. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to join the YouTube family. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram at Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.